put together a poem. You know, I like writing poems. So I just put together a poem, and I said, I will share the poem, and whatever that will have to be said, we'll say it. So if you would...
No, you can go ahead.
Permit me, I will share the poem that I wrote. A salute to our fallen heroes. Death, an unwanted path we must all tread. Inevitable, silent, and sure. Some walk it in shame, but not our gallant eight. In the line of duty, they march into faith. With courage as their compass and sacrifice as their shield. They walk their final path bravely. We salute their courage. We engrave their sacrifice deep in the chambers of our hearts. We mourn their tragic passing. We comfort those they left behind. And as we bow our heads in grief, we lift our hearts in honor. May their souls rest well in eternity. And may we, the living, sincerely resolve that never again, never again must this happen to this beautiful country of ours. This is the poem that I put together for them, a very short poem. And as I pondered, I've always said this, that until it hits home, until you begin to behave like a human being, you would want to joke with some of these things. I've watched videos of two bearded idiots, and I wouldn't even want to mention their names here.